everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know that you've been loving this series, so I thought let's create like another video where I'm gonna do a quick review on all the products that the internet influenced me to buy. It's been a while that I've been using this product. I would have already spoken about this product in the past, but it has been like about 4 to 5 months that I've been using these products. So I thought let me give you my final verdict. So I'm very excited about this video in particular. So let's quickly get started. Before we move forward, just a quick disclaimer that I've got bunch of stuff right here. So it's going to be in random order. So bear with me. So let's get started with the first product. Okay, so the number one product I have is by Foxtail, and this is the Stunner Skin Radiant Mask. This actually clean pores, reduces blackheads, improves skin clarity and tone, which I completely agree on. Once you apply this mask and just keep it for solid 10 minutes, your skin actually feels very clean, and that I absolutely love. If you see, and you see that I have used so much of this. So ideally they say that the pamphlet that I received with this product, it actually said that use it like, first I think twice a week, and then probably you can use it like alternate days, because it really helps to remove the gunk from your skin. So it's so stunning. I really love it, and once I get over this, I am going to go and repurchase. I love this one. Again, this is for all skin type. It also has like Brazilian clay, lactic acid, and more such ingredients that really helps to remove that gunk and make your skin really soft and supple. So I absolutely love it, and like the name says, it's the stunner. So I really feel it's a stunner. I really love it. Next up I have is from the brand Love Beauty and Planet, and it is their argan oil and lavender variant basically. And this is something it looks like. I think you would have already seen it all over the internet. It's so good. It smells amazing. The argan oil ka smell with that lavender tint, it's so damn amazing. Just look how much I've used of this. Is almost gonna get over, so I have to restock this. It's such a beautiful hair mask. Yeah, ये तो मैं भूल ही क्या बताना. ये actually this is like a hair mask, and if you've seen my previous video, I've also addressed that I am not the kind of person who is gonna spend a lot of time in the shower. I just use a shampoo and that's about it. But when I got introduced to this one, because the internet went crazy about this product. I bought this in November, like last year, 2024, and I've been using it since then. Like after I'm done with my shampoo, I just apply like a lot of it on my hair, and I just keep it for over 2 minutes. That's about it. And then I just clean it off, and my scalp, and I mean not my scalp but my hair, feels so much smoother, and I so love this product. I really love it. If you're someone who is really looking for something that makes your hair very supple, good, and shiny and bouncy, you can actually get it. And also if you're someone who has like frizzy hair, you can actually opt for this and try it out, because it's such an amazing product and really has that really nice argan oil and the lavender tint to it. So I really love it. Okay, then the next product I have, it's like an amazing product. So this is by B Body Wise, and this is their 10% AHA body scrub. This is actually used to exfoliate the dead skin and also helps to remove the ingrown hair and tan. All you have to do is just take like a good amount of it, apply it on your elbow, knees, all over your body if you want to, your feet, especially those areas which actually gets tanned super easily. So you can actually target those areas, even your underarms for that matter. It really helps. And also if you have strawberry skin, like that pokey skin that comes when you shave, it also helps with that, which actually is called as strawberry skin. It really helps with that. It really exfoliates your body, and I absolutely love this one too. So the next one is by the brand Vaseline. Now let's address two products together because it's the same thing but two different variant. And I'm talking about these. Now this one is particularly a Vaseline Healthy Bright with Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiant Serum Pin Lotion, and this one right here is the Gluta-Hya Overnight Radiant Serum Pin Lotion. So I really love these two in particular. So I use this in the morning because it smells really good. It's super ultra light. I mean, it's so fab. The texture is very nice. It's really good. And in the summers, you really need something which is like, very, very mild, not very heavy on the skin. So this is really fab. And this one right here, it says that it is an overnight radiance. I really like it. I don't want to. Let's open it. This smells. This smells so good, and that's the reason I didn't want to open it. But this smells. Both of them have a very, very different smell, but these are so good. I'm actually eyeing on the sunscreen, the body sunscreen that they have recently launched. So I'm really eyeing on that, and I can't wait to get my hands on it because the internet have gone crazy for that one particular product as well. So this one is like fabulous if you're someone who is wanting to get something which is super light on the skin, like on your body skin, because you're out in the sun. This one will really not feel sticky or heavy. It's super light and it glides in so beautifully. Just like you just apply it and it's just going to be so smoother. So I really, really love this product. The next product I have is by Dove. इसके बारे में बात नहीं किया तो क्या ही हुआ. I love how beautiful this product is. Now is almost over. Can you see? I bought this in like November and I've been using it. I use this like twice a week. That's about it. I really love this product. Basically, it's an exfoliating body polish with crushed lavender and coconut milk. It's really fabulous. Just look at the condition of this. This looks pathetic, but it's so good. I mean, if you want like a mild exfoliation because you really want your skin to feel smoother, you can actually use this. It really makes your skin feel so much softer and supple. I honestly don't feel it does anything for tanning or stuff because it doesn't claim either. It just says that it polishes your skin. I mean, polish your skin with sorry. Polish your skin with Dove exfoliating body polish, the scrub that smoothens and nourishes and restores skin's natural nutrients. Right. So it says that enjoy 3 to 4 times per week. So this is great, to be very honest. It really makes your skin feels very soft and supple. Apart from that, it doesn't do anything like not removing your tan or not doing anything. It doesn't do any of that. But when you use this and when you touch your body, you really feel so good and clean also. So that's the reason I love it. So yes, I am going to get another tub of this, but probably I'm going to switch to another variant. I'm very excited to use the rice water one or the mango one. But yeah, if you're someone who loves lavender like I do, then you can get this because this is really good. Okay, then let's move to another product. Now, this is by Dot and Key Skincare. It is a strawberry dew melt in a flash cleansing balm. Now, I wouldn't have used this as much as the other products because I don't apply a lot of makeup. But if you're someone who applies a lot of makeup and wants like a good cleansing balm to remove your makeup, this one is a great product. I really like this product. It retails for 499 rupees, but you will surely get these on discount. This is really great. I actually used the Clinique one first, but my god, this is so damn expensive. So I switched to this, but the moment I switched to this, I made up my mind that I'm not going to use a lot of makeup on my face. So if I do occasionally, then I use this to remove all the makeup and everything from my face. So this is like a savior, and I think this has an expiry till 2027. So I think till 2027, this is going to stay with me. So yes, I really like this product. And again, this is by Dot and Key, and this is your Strawberry Dew Melt in a Flash Cleansing Balm. Okay, then let's move to another product. This product I absolutely love and I use this every single morning. This is their 6 peptide skin booster serum. I so love it. I really love it. Now, it actually says something which I completely agree on because it does everything. It says that it's evens out the skin, it is hydrating, it firms your skin, it smoothens your skin, it takes care of your pore and sebum. It also helps to improve your skin texture, which I really, really agree. Now, this really helps with the glowness as well, but that the vitamin C also does. Now, why you need this? You need this if you are in your late 20s or in your early 30s or basically in your 30s, because it is really, really important for the peptides, for your skin to basically have a lot of peptides in there, and this has like 6 peptide to give you that great boost to your skin. So I really, really love this one. I am on sorry, I am on a mm, anti-aging skincare routine basically, and that's the reason I opt for this. If you're in your early 20s or if you are in your teens, then you can totally skip this one. Only if you want to have something for an anti-aging routine for your skin, where you see that a little bit of wrinkles have come in, a little bit of pores are seen, then you can probably opt for it. Mine, it's not that how do I say, not that visible, or I don't have so much lines in there, but I really want to be like caution and I don't want to wait for that time where it all comes in. So I have started doing it because I am in my early 30s. So I really, really love this one. Next one, when we talk about the booster serum, we cannot miss this because this combo is actually fabulous. So the previous product that I spoke about, when you apply that with this product right here, which is the Ordinary Argiline Solution 10%, it's a absolute banger combo. It's really, really good. Now, what this does is, I'll just put this in a very, very I'll just give you a definition. It is basically a Botox in a bottle. That is what people say, and that is the reason I bought it. There was so much craze about this bottle, like people go and then take injection and stuff, but this is like Botox in the bottle, which means it is ideally going to help you with your fine lines on the forehead, the wrinkles, and all of those. So I really like it. And like I told you, I'm actually on, like, you have to make up your mind. What do you want to do? Do you want to work on your dry skin? Do you want to work on making your skin glow? You want to remove tanning from your face? You want to work on your oiliness, where you use niacinamide? I am currently on an anti-aging routine, and that's the reason I pick products based on that. I cannot be using like some other actors where it is not going to help me with anti-aging. So you really have to be very, very careful when you're doing it. So yes, this is like a bang on product. I really love this one. Okay, the next product that I use like every alternate night is by IndieWile. I really love this product. Now, I actually used, I am not sure, it's a retinol by um Dermaco. The purple bluish color one I use it. That's also good, but this one has 1% Bakuchi, which is an alternative to retinol, and it's super safe on your skin. It doesn't penetrate inside your bloodstream. It is on the surface. It just does the job. It just, helps with all the fine line, just helps you with, glowness and all of those stuff. I really feel that when I wake up in the morning after I have applied this product at night, my skin really feels so much glowy, so much better. I really see the difference. Now, I have been using this for over 3 months now. And when it comes to skincare, what I will say is consistency. You cannot be applying it like 1 week and not applying it for 2 weeks and coming back to the product and then saying it did not work for me. This is not how skincare works. You have to be super, super consistent. So this one right here is my absolute love. I am very, very looking forward for this bottle to get over because I want to get the newer packaging which comes in like a pump, which will be more convenient. This one like comes in like, this pipette type, which is not that great travel friendly. I think the pump one will be more convenient. So I'm really loving that packaging. Basically, they have brought in another packaging variant for this. So I'm like really looking forward to that one. Once it's over, I'm going to pick the same one in the different packaging. So I'm very, very happy with this purchase. Okay, the next product I have is by B Body Wise, and I was talking about this product, which is the ultra light sunscreen SPF 20, SPF 50 plus with a PA plus plus plus. Amazing product. I've been using this for over 2 weeks now, and I so love this. Especially for summers, it doesn't feel sticky, doesn't feel heavy. It's so light, it just gets absorbed in your skin in seconds. So that is something I really love. By the way, this one had actually come up with a claim that it gets absorbed in the skin in in 3 seconds. I actually did a shot. You can probably go back and check my shot where we did like a test, and I was so damn amazed. So really, really, love this one. This might get over in like more 2 weeks and I have to get another one. But for the entire summer, I am not going to switch from this because this is so, so good. So the next product I had is by Indie Wild, and just look at how much I've used. Now, probably what I'm going to do is I am going to see if I get a picture to show my length of the hair. My hair have grown like so much, like इतने सारे बाल आ गए. And trust me when I say this, this has been like an absolute stunner product. I know it has not worked for few, it has worked for some, but I always keep it very easy. uh Probably what I do is I use this like twice a week. That's about it, not every day, only twice a week. Either I'll apply it at night and then morning I get up and wash my scalp, or I'll just apply 20 minutes before I go for shower and then just wash my hair, and that's about it. I don't use it like every single day, or uh, uh, every alternate day. I just use it twice a week or sometimes just once a week, and I think has really, really helped. I love how it is formulated. I love the ingredients in there. So yes, if you're someone who's looking for a good hair oil, you can really opt for this. But remember consistency, and yes, always do a patch test and then get like a larger bottle because this one is truly expensive. Okay, so the next product I have is again another sunscreen, but this is a body sunscreen, and this is something it looks like. This is the Wish Care Sunscreen Body Lotion. It has a PA plus 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 with an SPF 50, a good one. Okay, but I think I'm going to opt this in winters and not in summers because it is super heavy. I mean, not very, very heavy, but how do I say it? Like moderate. It really takes a while to um get inside your skin. Let me just put it here and show it to you what I'm trying to say because we have time. We'll just put this, okay? And let's see. Can you see? It is going to take a while. The white cast is still there. Can you see that? Can you see the difference? You see it? Now it's gone. Can you see the difference here and here? It's really good, but if you're someone who wants like gel like consistency, then I am going to try the Vaseline one, which I will review sooner. But this one, if you really want to get your hands on, you're okay to wait for a minute or two and blend it, then you can get it because it's really beautiful. It really helps with protection. So it's really fabulous. So I really, really love it. So yes, but I think for me particularly, because I've got like oily skin, I am going to keep this for the winters or for the rainy season. But for now, uh, what do I say? I love this product, to be very, very honest. Few more products to go. So the next one I have is by Streak. Now, I don't even know if you can see it is almost over. So basically, this is a serum and very, very affordable one. 140 rupees. So what I do is after I have taken my shower, I'll just take like few drops of it and I just apply it on my hair, and it feels smoother. I have suddenly become so obsessed with my hair that I really want it to be like, super clean, super softer, super hygienic. So I really go a little extra mile and before to take care of it. So I really love this product. And the next product I have is a lip balm. Now this is an NMF lip balm. This has an SPF 40, which I really love. And basically, I'm just speaking about an SPF products because it is summer and you really have to take care of your lips also. Otherwise, your skin is going to glow, but your lips are going to be super dark. So I really like this product because it is not chappy, not sticky. It really glides in the lips beautifully. So I really like it, and it also comes with an SPF. So that's like another add-on and a beautiful one, right? So the next product I have is by Wishcare, and this is their tinted balm. If you can see the color, I really like it. Now this is an SPF 50 with a PA+++, and it has ceramides, kojic acid, niacinamide, and watermelon. Now I really like it. Has very little you know tint to it, not major, but on its own also it really looks beautiful. So I really like this one. So if you're someone who wants like a tinted lip balm and don't want to apply lipstick or lip gloss or all of these things, you can really get this one. It comes in different variant, but I opted for watermelon because I don't know, I just felt like it, and this is really good one. Okay, I've got two more products to go. So this is again by Be Body Wise, and this is their roll on. I really like it. Now it's been just few weeks that I've been using it, but till now I really feel that my underarm is like so damn dark and so much pigmented. To be very honest, that I think comes from like genes and all of those stuff, but it is so dark. But with this it really have helped me a tidbit for now, but I think with consistency and with over 2 months or 3 months, I'll be able to give you like a final verdict. But if you're someone who is really looking for something which is paraben free, sulfate free, and doesn't have fragrance, you can actually go with this one. This is really good. I really like it. It actually says it controls body odor and also reduces pigmentation. So I really like this one for now because I think over weeks, it has really helped me to help me with that tanning or that pigment to just fade away a little bit. I really think it is going to work. And the last product I have is by Wishcare. Now I cannot leave the video without talking about this product. My god, can I tell you something? It's been over a month that I'm not using this product. You know why? Because so much of hair has come back. Can you see these hair right here? So much hair have come back, and like so much of baby hair have come back. I actually, this part of my hair, I really did not have any hair here. I mean, I wouldn't say I was bald, but that little patch I could see when I used to put like ponytail, I could see like that patch there. So when I started using this, I'll be very honest, I've already completed this bottle. This is another one that I've brought, and I've been using this for over 7 to 8 months now. So I saw that my hair was overgrowing and the baby hair was so much that even when I'm putting like tying my hair, there was so many baby hair out there that I had to stop using it. It's such a beautiful product. I'm just trying to tell you like how beautiful is this product. I really love this one. I'm going to go back to it because I think it's high time that I get back to it. It really helps in reducing hair fall, yes, and boost hair growth. It not only helped me with the baby hair and helping to cover the baldness a little. It is not baldness, yeah. There was like a little patch in there, like very tiny, to help me with that, but also help me with hair loss. The first video that you would see, I have spoken and I did not see anything about hair loss. I don't think it is going to do anything for hair loss, but when I actually used it for over months and months and months, it's been 7 months, I have seen such a significant, um, you know, a significant difference. My hair, like if I just put this, and can you see any hair? But no, right? Because I was so stunned the first time I combed my hair. I had so much of crazy hair fall. And then suddenly one day when I woke up, I was combing my hair. I was like, the hair fall seems to be low, like less. And then now when I comb, it's like strands that go away, like about 5 or 6. But apart from that, my hair is so much healthier. Like I said, I'm a little obsessed with my hair right now from couple of months. So I really, really take care of it. I really love the way my hair is looking. I so loved it that I went to do a like a hair light. I don't know. I've got a little crackpot because so many products I had to like review for y'all. So yes, I think my hair looks great. My skin feels better and I'm very excited for summer. There's lot of humidity and lot of heat waves. Please take care. Please keep yourself super hydrated. Have lots of water. Apply a ton of sunscreen. Make sure you do that on your body, your lips, your face, everywhere. Just take care of it. And yes, with that, I really hope you like this video. If you liked it, put that in the comments and tell me how much you did, because each comment really makes me happy. You can simply put like a heart or any emoji and I will really feel good. And yes, thank you so much for everything and I see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.